great, I'm trying to figure out revenue, ROAS, CAC, but ultimately what I care about is drivers staying on the platform. That's the only way I can get that. So LTV, CAC, or some version of that. Some people talk about like recurring purchases in a period because LTV could be 5 years out. I want to know 6-month LTV or 1-year LTV. That's the ultimate question. I'm trying to drive profitable growth of the business. I'm not trying to get a bunch of drivers that lose money after 6 months. And so this matrix of not just taking my ROAS or all these things, but actually looking at the NPV tells me a slightly different story, because it's not what is the low funnel, low incrementality channels that aren't driving me properly. You'll see in here like Google brand search as a negative NPV, but it might have an amazing CAC and a solid ROAS. And so looking at through the NPV lens kind of allows me to go through this decision matrix. Now, the thing that stands out the most to me is like, wow, CTV is my second most profitable advanced attribution NPV.